Outside the inquiry, a protest. Chanting against Grenfell's building contractor, who were giving evidence inside.
I do not have a recall of that.
Stephen Blake is a director for Rydon, the company that built the tower's refurbishment.
Sandra, please could you arrange lunch or evening meal if they would prefer?
The inquiry looked at this email, a planned celebratory meal between Rydon and some members of the council. It reveals just how close the two were before the Grenfell project was officially awarded, something Mr. Blake has not been clear about.
You don't mention this contact or these discussions in your witness statement. Can you explain why that is?
I didn't see any need to.
When you say you know I didn't speak to him, that was not in fact true, was it?
Yeah, I made that because I had absolutely no, as I said, no recall of those emails. Obviously, I shouldn't have made that statement because it's not right.
Once Rydon won the bid, they realised they'd made an accounting error. They somehow missed £200,000 from the Grenfell bid, and the inquiry looked at how Rydon used its influence to swap from the safer zinc panels to the more dangerous and flammable aluminium composite panels.
You, Rydon, were pushing a positive case for the use of ACM panels over zinc, weren't you? And were not neutral on that issue.
It was there for the client to exercise that option if they wished.
And I'm bound to suggest to you that you were pushing the case for the use of ACM panels to the planners because Rydon had a financial interest of its own in those materials and those products being selected.
No.
More emails showed how they'd be quids in by keeping the money made from the swap of the panels, something they never told the council.
To your knowledge, did anybody ever tell the TMO about these discussions?
I would think that we didn't.
Mr. Blake ended by saying he believed all Rydon's procedures had been correct at the time.
And it haunts me that it was never, that it wasn't challenged because it was believed to be correct.
The hearing will continue tomorrow. Rags Martel, ITV News, at the Grenfell Inquiry.